Are you having a brother or a sister?
Brother.
Uh-oh. I don't think we're having a brother.
Sister.
Are we having a sister?
No, brother.
I think the technician said we were having a sister.
Yeah, actually, that's what she said. She said it says you're gonna have a sister. It's a girl that's in there.
Yeah, the baby's a girl.
When she looked in Mom's tummy, she looked in there to see if it was a boy or a girl, and she found out that it was a girl.
No!
Oh, what's that?
Don't yell. So is the sister okay?
Brothers are okay.
The sisters aren't okay?
No. Hi, Bean.